Okay, now I want to show you how to draw an ellipse by using the four-centered approximate method. Okay, we have major and minor axis, and then label it as P, Q, R, and S. We have the origin or the center of this two axes as O. Now we take O as the center and OP as the radius and draw an arc. Okay, now we can see that this arc is obviously over the minor axis. So we know R is up to here, and then we just extend this minor axis. Okay, until we have this intersection, and we label it as A. Okay, and we also next we draw a line from P to R. And we use R as the center and RA as the radius to draw another arc which cross the PR line. And now we got point P. Okay, from PB we need to divide it equally into half. Okay, or bisection. Okay, now we have this line, and we need to extend the line until we intersect with the minor axis, the extended minor axis. Okay, this is point S, so we label it as D. And then we also have this cross line here, and we label it as E. And then we use the same length of OE and we mark it in the other side, and we have E prime. And we draw a line from D to E prime. And then we have D as the center, and we have DR as the radius. We can draw an arc, the first arc. Okay, so we do the same for the other side, OD, and we mark OD prime. And we draw the line, construction line, from D prime to E and D prime to E prime. Okay, so we repeat the same thing from D prime and D prime and S as the radius, and we have this arc. And we have E as the center and P as the radius, EP, and we draw another arc. And E prime as the center and EQ as the radius, and we have another arc, and combine it will be full ellipse. So I will use another compass to make it darker. And then the same radius, and we do it for E prime Q and EP. Okay. Okay, now you got your full ellipse by using the four centered, approximate centered.